Today I'm going to show you how to get live Smartlead data directly into your spreadsheet using Coefficient. Once you've installed Coefficient, launch the extension, select Import From, and then add a new source. Using the search bar, you can type in Smartlead to find it easier, and then select Connect. You'll want to locate your Smartlead API key, and if you're unsure where to find it, we have a tooltip here that guides you to your settings section. So once you have your API key, you can paste it in the space provided, and then select Connect. After authorization, you can start your first import by selecting Start from Scratch. This opens the import preview, where you can choose the data you want to import into your spreadsheet. With this connector, you can import a list of campaigns, a list of leads by campaign, campaign statistics, and so much more. But for this example, I'll show you how to get a list of your campaigns. Simply select the object and hit Preview. Here you can customize your import by selecting additional fields or deselecting from the pre-selected fields that we've chosen for you. You can also rearrange the order of your columns to be exactly how you like, and then they will stay in the same order every time it refreshes. Once you're satisfied with your configuration, hit Import. And with your data now in your spreadsheet, you can set up an auto refresh schedule on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis to keep your data always up to date. You're now ready to start importing your own Smartlead data. We hope you give it a try, and thank you for watching.